Welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you on some of the three sure ways of making your computer, or rather your laptop, to be 300% faster for free. So we just need to use the run command to execute those three steps to make your computer more faster. So go to your search bar, then you type run command, then you open it. So step number one, you start with the command prefetch. The prefetch, that is a prefetch, prefetch. Then you click OK. So it will search all the temporary files that you have in your computer. So having done that, the next step, you use the control A. So you press Control and A to select all the folders that are deletable, that are not necessary to your computer. Then you can delete them in two ways. Number one, you can delete it to the recycle bin. Number two, you can delete them permanently from your computer using just one command. So because of the time, I'll go for the shortcut, that is to delete everything permanently from my computer, and I will use the key, the shift and the delete button simultaneously. That is the shift and the delete button simultaneously. Then I click yes, and all the files will be deleted from my computer. Okay, having done that, so what we have done, we have just deleted all the temporary files that are making my computer to be slow. Okay, step number two, we are going to use so open your run, open your run command, then you type clean mrg, clean, CLEAN mrg, then you click OK, then you give it so everything is okay on that. Okay, next step, we have the tree, TREE, tree as our way number 3. So as you can see, we have just cleaned everything. So our computer has really improved significantly for other thing. So you can do those 3 ways in order to clean your computer, or rather to make your computer to be more faster. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also to subscribe. Bye bye. Let's learn together.